Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to online CLT classes. Today we are going to discuss one more important concept in permutations. What's that important concept? It's nothing but we already discussed. Just a brief recap what we discussed up to this. So permutations types. I mean, they can ask in how many ways to mode can arrange vowels comes together. Vowels never come together. No two will come together. Vowels odd places or even places. Repetition is allowed and repetition is not allowed, and problem based on ranking. So these things we already discussed. So we know if permutations, that means arrangement. Permutation is nothing but arrangement. The 4 members is there and they have 4 seats, 4 tickets. That is nothing but 4 factorial. It's simply n, p, n. It's nothing but n factorial. So this is the important thing. So don't forget this up to end. So you have to practice much and much on this problem side. So this is a very important thing first of all. And now we already discussed even places and repetition allowed also we discussed already, right? So now here problem based on ranking also we discussed last class. I mean the previous class. Now we are going to discuss problems based on numbers. Problem based on numbers. They can ask the question like how many 4-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, or 5-digit number can form with 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. So before going to discuss these number problems, I need to divide these numbers into 2 types. Just wait. Simon, here, how many ways 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit can be formed with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9? They given the numbers. So along with these digits, I have to arrange that 3-digit number, right? So 3-digit number. For 3-digit number, how many places were required? 1, 2, 3. 1's place, 10's place, and 100 place, right? So we have totally 5 numbers. In the same thing, for example, before going to this, just think if they ask 5 digits they given, if they ask arrange 5-digit number with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. What is the answer? 5-digit number. Okay. 5-digit number with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we know that 5 members is there and 5 tickets is there. So what is the answer? We can arrange them 5 factorial. Okay, 5 factorial. 5 factorial is nothing but 120 ways. Okay. And if they given same thing, same how we're writing the letters also, and by using the letters, and here also numbers. So numbers in a place of letters, they given the numbers, and 5 numbers is there, 5 places is there. So 5 numbers in 5 places, how we can arrange 5 factorial, right? And if they given 2, 4, 6, 8. And how many ways we can arrange a 4-digit number? 4-digit number. Then say how we can arrange this 4-digit number. 4 members is there, 4 places is there, just nothing but 4 factorial, right? Now, let's check. Now, how can we arrange a 6-digit number by using this 671, 671? Okay, now say, anyone say the answer for this. Give me the answer. Give the answer in chat box first. How can I arrange 6? How can I arrange 6-digit number by using these 6 numbers? See, you are forgetting the basics, ma. The 6 factorial who given the answer is, yeah, of course, you can arrange 6 ways, but you have to observe this. Here, numbers is repeated. Numbers is repeated. 7 is repeated, 6 is repeated, and 1 is repeated, right? So repeated letters is there. Then what we can do? What we have to do? So just divide it by denominator. How many letters is dividing? Just 2, that factorials. Repeated letters. 6 2 times, 7 2 times, and 1 2 times. So this what? To find out the way, right? So like this we can arrange in the normal way and in general. But here, what we're going to discuss, if they ask 1 3 5 7 9 along with these 5 digits, if they ask arrange 3-digit number, okay, and these are non-zero values, here we can divide this numbers problem 2 ways. What is it? One is in non-zero values, with another one is with 0. Okay, so with 0, with non-zero, both are different non-zero values. Okay, here everything is non-zero numbers I'm giving here. You just observe. After this we discuss small examples. Everything is with non-zero numbers only, non-zero numbers, right? So just check here. So 5 numbers is there. 5 numbers is there. This by using the 5 numbers. How many 3-digit number we can form? So that means I need to select the 3 from this 5, and then I have to arrange in 3 places. 3 places is nothing but 5P3, right? 5P3. I can arrange this like this, right? Is it clear up to this? With non-zero values, it's not a problem. We can arrange directly. Right? So 5P3. Right. Now, 5P3 means, what's that? 5 factorial into 4. 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. 3 into 2 factorial. By 2 factorial get cancelled. So 5 into 20 into 60 ways we can arrange. Right? So this is the way we can arrange non-zero values. Now, the concept of ranking, do you remember, right? what we discussed yesterday. So, I mean, previous class, that is based on that, we are going to discuss now with zero values, zero with zero number, with zero number. Now check. How many ways 3-digit or 4-digit or 5-digit can be arranged from with 4? Now, just recall the ranking number, ranking concept. Just suppose if they ask 4-digit letter, sorry, 4-letter word, they given help. So how many ways we can write? So 4 factorial, right? 4 factorial, that is nothing but 24, right? So how we are going to divide this? With H, with E, with L, with P, how many words we can write? Individual numbers 24 by 4. Why 4? 4 letters is there. Totally 24. 24 by 4. It's nothing but 6. So along with 6, we can write. Along with H, we can write 6. Along with E, 6. L, 6. P, 6. So like that, 24 ways we can write that. We can arrange that letters in a word. And here, come to the place here. I have 5 digits. Arrange this 5-digit number with this 5-digit numbers. Now, check this. If I started with 1, then remaining 4, this 4 can be arranged for factorial, right? That's what, right? Yesterday also we just discussed. So if with H started means, remaining three words will be there. 3 words is nothing but 3 factorial, right? 3 factorial. 3 factorial is nothing but 6. 6 into 1, 6. Now, just see. If I started with 1, I can arrange this 4 digits in 4 places. Here, 3, 5, 7, 0. I can write like this. But what is the 0 number is there? Then how many ways I can arrange this? If like this, how many ways I can arrange this? If 1, 3, 5, 0, 5, 7, 0 by this. So by using these 5 digits, how many 5-digit numbers I can arrange? Anyone guess the answer and give the answer in chat box. Yeah, guys, anyone give an answer? 13570, 5 digits is here. With these 5 digits, how many 5-digit number I can form? Guys, I'm asking to you here, give the reply. How many 5-digit number I can arrange? I can form with these 5 digits. 13570. How many 5-digit number I can form? No one is giving the reply. Everyone is sleeping. Guys, how many 5-digit number I can arrange with this 5 digits? Stupid fellows, Reba. See, with 5-digit numbers, I can arrange this in generally 13570. There's a 5 digits is there. 5 digit number is there. Nothing but 5 factorial. It's nothing but 120 ways I can arrange, but it is wrong. Why it is wrong? See, if I have the 5 places here, 5 places, I can arrange this. One with one. I can arrange. So 5 factorials. I mean 5 factorial is nothing but 120, right? Along with 5. 120. Okay. 120 by how many digits is there? 5. Okay. This is number 24. I can arrange the number. I can form a number with starting with 1. Starting with 1, how many numbers I can arrange? 24 numbers I can arrange. Okay. Starting with 3, I can arrange 24. Right. Starting with 5, I can arrange 24. Right. Starting with 7, I can arrange 24. Starting with 0, I can arrange 24 or 24. But if you're starting with the 0, if you keep the 0 here, this place, in this place, then it becomes 4-digit number, right? Not a 5-digit number. What they're asking to find us 5-digit number. If you place it, the 5 places is there, 5 places. In the first place, if you're keeping a 0, then 1, 3, 5, 7. If you're keeping like this, how many digit number it will be? In the starting, it's a 0. It is not going to be 5-digit number. It is just 4-digit number. Okay, it is 4-digit number. So except 0, I cannot keep the 0 here for making a 5-digit number, right? I have 5 individual digits, but I cannot keep the 0 here, because if I keep the 0 here, it becomes 4-digit number. Okay, I want to find out 5-digit numbers. How I can find out the 5-digit numbers? So with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry. Oh, 5-digit, 5 places. So I can start with 1, I can start with 3, I can start with 5, I can start with 7, except 0. So I can select, I can select for this place, I can select one letter along in this 4. From this 4, I can select one letter. So I'm eliminating this 0 here. I'm going to select one letter, that may be 1, 3, 5, 7. One digit. I'm going to select in this 4. Right? How can we write this? 1 place 4 members. 1 place 4 members is there. So I can write 4P1. Right? 4P1. I can write like this. And then for remaining 4. So suppose one letter is I already written here. One letter I already written here. So remaining how many letters is there? 3. 3, 5, 7. 3, and just before eliminated 0, right? Just before for this place, that one. So totally 4 digits is there and 4 places is there. So 4 places and 4 digits is nothing but 4 factorial. So these many ways I can arrange 5-digit number by using 13570. Why? Because here 0 is very important role. Starting with the 0, I mean, when I keep 0 in the highest position, so it becomes only 4-digit number or 3-digit number or 2-digit number. So if here you can keep the 0, that is nothing but 4-digit number. So we cannot keep 0 here. So that's the reason I'm selecting out of this 4. I'm eliminating this 0 here, and in this 4, I'm selecting 1. 4, arranging 1. Sorry, not selecting, arranging. 4P1, I'm arranging here, and remaining for 4 places. So suppose think I arranged here 1 here, remaining 3, 5, 7, 3 plus 0. 4 letters is there. Sorry, 4 digits is there. 4 digits and 4 places is nothing but 4 factorial. So I can arrange the 4p1 into 4 factorial. What is the 4p1? 4 by 4 minus 1, 3 factorial. So 4 into 5. 4 into 5. I'm sorry. 4 into 3. 4 into 3 factorial by 4 minus 1, 3 factorial. So into 4 factorial. It's nothing but 4 into 4 factorial is nothing but 24. So 4 into 24, 96 ways. I can arrange 96 numbers by using these 13570 numbers. So we can find like this. First ఒక ప్లేస్ కోసం ఈ 4 నెంబర్ల నుంచి ఒకటి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నాను, ఒకటి అరేంజ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఈ 4 నెంబర్స్ నుంచి ఒకటి అరేంజ్ చేస్తున్నాను 4p1 ఇంటూ రిమైనింగ్ 4 ప్లేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి, 4 డిజిట్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. సో 4 డిజిట్స్ ఇంటూ 4 ప్లేసెస్, 4 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్. ఈ విధంగా మనం చేయొచ్చు. అదర్వైజ్ you can use a shortcut if you understood that ranking problems. Based on the ranking we discuss some problems, right? Our problems మీకు అర్థమైంటే ఆ విధంగా షార్ట్ కట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఏంటది? 5 డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, వాళ్ళు అడిగింది ఏంటి? 5 డిజిట్ నెంబర్, రైట్? సో 5 డిజిట్ నెంబర్, ఇట్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ 5 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్. 5 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ అంటే ఎంత? 120, రైట్? సో 120 అంటే ఒక్కొక్క నెంబర్తో 1 తో ఎన్ని రాయొచ్చు, 3 తో ఎన్ని రాయొచ్చు, 5 తో ఎన్ని రాయొచ్చు, 7 తో అండ్ 0 తో ఎన్ని రాయొచ్చు. జస్ట్ చెక్. సో ఇందాక సేమ్ హెల్ప్ కి 24 వస్తాయి టోటల్ గా. సో 20/4 4 చేసాం. ఎందుకు? 4 లెటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఈచ్ లెటర్ తో మనం 6 రాయొచ్చు, రైట్? సో ఇక్కడ 5 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ అంటే 120 అండ్ ఈచ్ లెటర్ తో మనం ఎన్ని రాయొచ్చు? టోటల్ మీన్స్ 1 2 3 4 5. సో ఈచ్ లెటర్ తో మనం ఎన్ని రాయొచ్చు? 24 రాయొచ్చు. బట్ 0 తో కన్సిడర్ చేసామా? చేయం. సో ఒక 24 తీసేసేయండి, దట్స్ ఇట్. సో 4 మామూలుగా అయితే 5 24s 120. సో మనం ఇక్కడ 0 తో రాయట్లేదు కదా. సో 4 24s, 4 into 24 డైరెక్ట్లీ ఆన్సర్. 4 into 24 is nothing but 96. So this what shortcut if you understand the concept better. So ఎప్పుడు కూడా మనం 0 తో ఒక లెటర్ ని రాయలేం. సో in the same way I'll give, you can say here. So with this 4 numbers is there, 4 digits is there. By using these 4 digits, how many 4 digit numbers we can form? Give the answer. By using this 1370 4 digits, so 4 digit number, any 4 digit numbers manam raaychu. Any 4 digit numbers manam raaychu. Just give the answer. Force power 4. Yeah, 3p1 into 3 factorial. It's the right answer. Now see, what is the thing here? 4 places ఉన్నాయి. నేను ఇక్కడ 137 మాత్రమే ఇంక్లూడ్ చేయగలను, అరేంజ్ చేయగలను. 0ని అరేంజ్ చేయలేను, రైట్? సో ఎన్నిటిని అరేంజ్ చేయొచ్చు? 3 లెటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, 3 డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 3p1 ఒకదాన్ని అరేంజ్ చేశాను. సో రిమైనింగ్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? ఒకటి పోతే 3 7 2 అనుకున్నాం. ఇక్కడ 0 ఉంది, టోటల్ గా 3 అనుకున్నాం. సో 3 ఉన్నాయి, 3 ప్లేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి, 3 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్. ఇట్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 3 into 3 factorial. So what? 18 ways. 18 ways I can arrange. So ఇలా చేస్తే. Otherwise shortcut ఏంటి? 4 digits ఉన్నాయి, 4 places. 4 digit number అంటే ఎన్ని places? 4 places. So 4 digits of 4 places అంటే 4 factorial. 4 factorial అంటే 24. ఓకే, బట్ కానీ 0 తో మనం చేయగలమా? చేయలేం. సో మామూలుగా ఒక్కొక్క డిజిట్ తో ఎన్ని చేయొచ్చు? 4. ఒక్కొక్క డిజిట్ తో 6 చేయొచ్చు, ఒక్కొక్క డిజిట్ తో 6 చేయొచ్చు, కానీ మనం 0 తో చేయం కదా. ఓకే, 4 6 are 24, కానీ 3 into 6 is nothing but 18. 4 తో చేస్తే 24 వస్తాయి, 4 తో చేస్తే 24 వస్తాయి, అందులో 0 కూడా ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయినట్టు. సో ఒక 6 తీసేసాం అనుకోండి, రిమైనింగ్ 3 తో 4 డిజిట్ చేయొచ్చు, 18. Now suppose write that how many 4-digit form, how many 3-digit number can form by using 370. Say me. Say how many 3-digit numbers we can form by using 370. Yeah, 2p1 into 2 factorial, right? So 2p1 into 2 factorial, right? So that is a number we can arrange. Now just I'll give the number here. 2 3 5 6 8 0. Totally how many? 3 4 5. Now you just say how many 3-digit numbers can form with 2 3 5 6 0. 3 places ఉన్నాయి మనకి. ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి టోటల్ గా? 5 digits, along with 0 5 digits ఉన్నాయి. So how many ways I can select a 3-digit number with this? టోటల్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 5 digits ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇందులో 5 digits లో 4 digits నాన్ జీరో వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఐ కెన్ కీప్ ఈ 4 digits ని నేను ఇక్కడ అరేంజ్ చేయగలను. సో దెన్ ఓన్లీ ఇట్ will become 3-digit number, right? So 1 I can keep, that means 4p1, and here how many places here? 2 places. So total ఎన్ని places ఉన్నాయి? ఒకటి నేను ఇక్కడ రాసేసానంటే, సో ఇంకా ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 3 plus 1 4. So 4p2, right? So 2 నే కదా మనకి ఇక్కడ సీట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. టోటల్ ఎన్ని లెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 4. So 4p1 into 4p2. So it's nothing but 4 into 4 into 3. Nothing but 12 into 4 is 48. Yeah, 48, right? So 46 ways I can write this. Now clear. Now in these type of questions they will ask some different. Not only they ask the 3-digit number, they can ask 3-digit number along with this, which are divisible by 2. If they ask, think, if they ask to find 4-digit, take the 4-digit. How many ways 4-digit number can be formed with 32560? With 23560, which are divisible by 2. How we can write this? Which are divisible by 2? How many digits they can arrange? They ask to arrange 4-digit number. That means I need 4 places. And first thing, if you are if you want to arrange this four-digit number with these 5 digits, what's the condition? Divisible by 2. Divisible by 2, what's the condition? The unit digit number should be even or 0. Should be even, right? Should be even. Then how many even numbers is there? Think here. It may be 0 or 1, 2, 3, 4. It may be 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it may be 6, right? So unit digit number, it should be these 3 only. Unit digit number should be these 3 only, right? Clear? So I cannot, if I place 0 here, I cannot place 0 here, here, right? Done. So totally how many numbers is there? 5 numbers is there. In 5 numbers, I arranged already here 0. So remaining how many numbers is there? I can arrange these 4 numbers 1 here. So 4 ways. Okay, 4p1, okay, or here. So if I keep 0 here, I can, this is nothing but 3, remaining 3p1 is nothing but 3. 3p1 is nothing but 3. Okay, next here it is 2p1, 20, sorry. So 5 numbers is there. I already arranged 0 here. So 4 digits will be there. So 4 I can arrange in from this 4p1 I can arrange here, and remaining 3p1 I can arrange here, remaining 2p1 I can arrange here. So now how many numbers will get here? Right? So this is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2. Right? What is this? Nothing but 6, 24. So this is 24, right? This is 24. Now, if come to this, if I place 2 here, I cannot place 2 here, right? And come to here. Now, how many letters is there? If I place 2 here, so how many numbers is there? 4, right? 4 digits is there. So I can arrange here 3 or 5 or 6, but I cannot keep the 0 here, right? I cannot keep the 0 here. Why? If I keep the 0 here, it become 3-digit number. So I already 2 I arranged here, and remaining 4 digits is there. In these 4 digits, eliminate the 0 because I cannot keep the 0 here. So remaining how many numbers is there? 3. Right? So 3 is here. So 3p1 is the number 3 into, and here I can arrange 0 also. So how many numbers is there? Still 3. So here also 3 into, and here 2 is the number 2, right? Done. So it is nothing but 3 into 6, 6 into 18, right? Now here also same thing. We cannot keep the 0 here. So cannot keep the 0. 6 already is here. So 3 is there. So 3p1 is nothing but 3 into, here 2 is there and 0 also included. 3 is there into 2 is nothing but 18. So totally 24, 18 plus 18. It's a 36, 60, right? 60 ways I can arrange. Right? Then, is it clear? Is there any doubts, guys, here? Why I can write like this? Okay, I'll explain one more time. Divisible by 2. What is the condition? The unit digit should be either 0 or 2 or 6, right? From this. So I already arranged 0 here. So how many digits is remaining here for me? 3 digits is there. So already 0 is gone here, and remaining how many is there? 4. 4 by using 4 letters, 3 places. 4 members, 3 places. 4p. Sorry, not like this. Don't. Yeah, you can write like that also. 4p3 is nothing but 24. Yes. Okay. We can write 4 members. 4. Sorry. 4p3 directly, right? So 4 digits is there. 4 digits 9, 3 places 9. వీటిని ఎలా అరేంజ్ చేయగలను? 4p3 is nothing but 24, right? 24. Done. And next come to this place. I can arrange 3 digits from this 4, but here I already written the 2 here. So remaining ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి మనకి? Remaining ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 4 ఉన్నాయి. ఏంటా 4? 3, 5, 6, 0. So ఇక్కడ నేను 0 పెట్టగలనా? No, right? Then ఇక్కడ 0 I mean I cannot keep 0 here. So any chances ఉన్నాయి నాకు? 3 chances ఉన్నాయి. That's the number 3p1. I select first thing 3p1. Then ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఇప్పుడు? 3 ఉన్నాయి. 3, ఓకే 3 పెట్టేసాను అనుకున్నాం. 5, 6, 0. 3 ఉన్నాయి, 2 ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. సో ఇంటూ 5p. So 3p1 is nothing but 3. 3p2 is nothing but 3 factorial. It's nothing but 6. It is 18. It also same 18. Just add this R, we'll get these numbers, right? So 60 ways. Okay. If they ask divisible by 5, same thing. By using 5. Now you say 4 digit number, we require 4 places. 4 places. And I can arrange divisible by 5 means divisible by 5. What is the condition? Unit place should be 0 or unit place should be 5, right? Is it clear? No. Check. So if I keep 0 here, so I can arrange 4 digits is there, still 4. So 0 ikkadiki vachestunni, non-repeated. These all are, we are discussing, that is non-repeated, non-repetition. So 4 digits is there. So 4 digits, 3 places lo. 4 digits, 3 places lo arrange cheyali. 4p3 directly you can say, right? And same indaka manam ela chesam ila. Now ikkada 5 ni keep chesanu anukondi. Ikkada 5 ni arrange the 5 here, then how many places is there? 3 places there. In this 3, how many numbers I can place? How many numbers I can place here? Either 2, 3, 6, right? So I cannot place 0 here. Why? Because if I keep 0 here, it become 3 digit number. So I have a 3 chances. 2, 3, 6. That means 3p1, right? Done. And remaining 2 places. In remaining 2 places, 5 is already I kept here and 2 is already I kept here. So now 3, 6, 0. 3 is it. So 3p2 is the answer. Right? So it's nothing but 4p3 is nothing but 24 and 3p1 is nothing but 3 into 3p2 is nothing but 3 factorial, that is nothing but 6. 18. So 18 plus 24. 18 plus 24. It's nothing but 42. Okay. It's nothing but 42. Right. Now, if they ask, right, I mean, how many ways 4 digit number can be write with 23506 with divisible by 4? 4. What is the divisibility? 4 divisibility rule. What is the 4 divisibility rule? The last 2 digits should be divisible by 4, right? So totally 4 digits is there. In this 4, 2 digits is 2 digits is last two digits is 4 multiples will be there. 4 multiples. So I can arrange like this. So the 4 multiples by using here. So 0, 2, 0, it's 2, 0. I can write like this, right? 2, 0 and 2, 3, no. 2, 5, no. 2, 6, no. And 3, 0, no. 3, 6, 3, 5, no. 3, 6. Yeah, 3, 6 I can write. And then, okay. 5, 2, yeah, is there 5, 2. And 5, 6 is there. 5, 3, no. 5, 50, no. And 6, 2. 6, 2, no. 6, 3, no. 65, no. 6, 0. Yes, 6, 0. The one is 6, 0. Right? And then 0, 6, 0, 3, 0, 5, 0, 50, 65, 63, 62, no. 53, 56, 52 is 50, 50, no. 32, 35, 36, 30, 36, 32 also is there. If 4 divisible is 32 also. Right? So 5 digits. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now just go here. So what's that? So 2 already I arranged here. 2 already I arranged here. So remaining 2 is there. So remaining 2. 2 is gone, 0 is gone. Remaining 3. 3 P 2. Right? 3 P 2 is nothing but 6. Right? And come to here. Here 3, 6 is already I placed it here, but I cannot keep 0 also here. So eliminate the 0 and 3, 6, only 2. 2 places 2 members, it's nothing but 2 factorial. It's nothing but 2 factorial, it's nothing but 2. Right? And here also same thing, 2. Here also same thing, 2. So 0 cannot be used and 0 cannot be used here also, right? So 2 members, and here it's not a 0 ma. Here you can keep 3 values. Sorry, it's not a 2 factorial actually. So 2 places here. I cannot keep 0 here. I can keep 1, 2. 2p1, 2p1. And here, how many remaining is here? 3, 6 is over and 1 letter is over 2p1. This is 2p1. Right? So now 2p1, 2p1 is nothing but 2 into 2. It's nothing but 4. Even here also same 4. And here come to this 2, 0. 2, 0, we already know this. So 3p2. 3p2 is nothing but 6. And for 32 is also 2, 3, 3, 4. And again, one more 4 will be there for 52 and 32 is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number 4. Right? So this we can arrange like this here. Now, so they can ask in many ways by using the numbers. So 4-digit number or 3-digit number that may be divisible by 4, divisible by 3, 6. Yeah. Now, Now just repetition allows, if up to this we discuss repetition not allowed, right? So now if it is repetition is allowed, then what will happen? How many four-digit number can be formed with 23560 if repetition allows? Repetition allows. No. So 4-digit number, if you want, 4 places I want, right? So 4 places. So if I have 4 places, then 4-digit form I can form, but here I cannot keep the 0. So now see here. So I cannot keep 0 here, right? I cannot keep 0 here. So I can keep 4P1. 4P1. Now, how many numbers is there? How many numbers is there? One number I kept here. One number I kept here. So remaining 4 is there. Generally, if I am using the 4P3, it's going to be wrong, right? Why? It is repetition allows. Here repetition is allows, right? So repetition is allows means how many numbers is there? Still total numbers is there, right? Total 5 numbers is there. Not total 5 numbers is there. Here I can place 1, 5P1. And here also I can use 5P1. Here also I can use 5P1. So in one place I can arrange with 5 digits. I can arrange here 5 digits. I can arrange with 5 digits. So nothing but it is nothing but 4 into 5 into 5 into 5, right? So 20 into 25, 20 into 25, 20 is 400 and 5 into 20, 100, 500, right? 125 into 4. 500, right? 500 I'll get. How this 500 I'm getting? Here repetition is possible. Repetition is possible. That means ఇక్కడ ఏంటి నాకు 4 places ఉన్నాయి. 4 places ఉన్నాయి. 4-digit నెంబర్ నేను ఫామ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ 0 మాత్రం నేను ఇంక్లూడ్ చేయలేను, రైట్? సో రిమైనింగ్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 4. సో 4P1. 4 నుంచి నేను ఒకటి సెలెక్ట్ చేసేసుకున్నాను ఆల్రెడీ. ఇందాక రిపిటేషన్ నాట్ అలౌడ్ లో ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ ఒకటి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి రిమైనింగ్ 4 ఉండేవి. కానీ ఇక్కడ రిపిటేషన్ అలౌస్ అన్నారు. అంటే ఇక్కడ 3 ప్లేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇండివిజువల్ గా ఇక్కడ 5 ఉంది. 5, రైట్? సో 5 లెటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఐ కెన్ అరేంజ్ దిస్, రైట్? సో ఈ ఒక్క ప్లేస్ కోసం నేను ఎన్ని చేసుకోవచ్చు? టోటల్ 5 ప్లేస్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. 5P1 and here also 5P1. Here also 5P1, right? సో 5 ప్లేసెస్ నుంచి నేను ఇక్కడ ఒక సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అండ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా ఒకటి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఇక్కడ కూడా ఒకటి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ ఆల్రెడీ we know that 4P1, 4 into 5 into 5 into 5. So this will be the answer. So 20 into 25, 500. Right? If you understand repetition of numbers, then by using repetition allows, divide by 2. Now see, check here. So previously we just what we are doing here, I can keep 0 here, I can keep 2 here, I can keep 6 here. Okay, now repetition of numbers means total numbers, 5 numbers is still vacant, right? Still vacant. Now is it clear? Repetition number But here already I can keep 0. But repetition of numbers means here also we can use 0. But here we can using the 0, that is not going to be a 4-digit number, it's a 3-digit number. So I can select with the 4P1 first thing. 4P1 first thing. And then remaining for 2, here 5 numbers is there. 5P1 or 5P1. So it should be 4 into 5 into 5, right? And here 2 is there, so I can get here except 0, 4P1, here 5P1 and 5P1. And here also same, and here also same. 20 into 5, 100, and 100, 100. 300 will get, right? So if repetition allows means what the repetition allows, 2 నేను ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేశాను, 2 నేను ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ ప్లేస్ చేశాను. సో 0 మాత్రం నేను ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేయను. సో రిమైనింగ్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 4 ఉన్నాయి. సో 4P1. సో రిమైనింగ్ ఇంకా 2 ప్లేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి, 2 ప్లేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి, అండ్ 5 నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, 5 నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, రైట్? సో 5P1 and 5P1. ఇక్కడ కూడా 0 యూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఇక్కడ కూడా 2 యూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఇక్కడ 0ని ఇక్కడ 2ని యూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ ఇది కూడా సేమ్. It's very much 4 into, so 5, here also 5, and here also 5. Same thing. 20 into 5, 100, 100, 100, 300, right? Then to this. So this is based on the problem on numbers. I think it will not clear. Just asking the doubts. Any doubts is there now only. So how are we going to write this? P4, sorry, NP2 like this. See, guys, understand the concept. మనం ఇక్కడ 4-digit number or 5-digit number or 3-digit number, whatever the this thing, the last digit అంటే highest value లో 0 మనం ప్లేస్ చేయలేం. ఎందుకు? 0 ప్లేస్ చేస్తే అది 4-digit number కాదు, 3-digit number కాదు. That will be take less than 1 number digit, right? So but 0ని మనం స్టార్టింగ్ ప్లేస్ లో యూనిట్ డిజిట్ ప్లేస్ లో ప్లేస్ చేయొచ్చు, రైట్? Guys, if you have any doubts, just please ask me now only, because I'm going to concept is over in permutation and computations. All the concept we discuss based on vowels and how many write the problems, how vowels together, vowels not together. So any no two vowels together and everything. I think I covered almost every concept here, permutations with formula, and I mostly covered without formula only. You can do it, right? So if you understand the concept, that's a really easy. But here, just observe this up to this. Anything, if you have doubts, just ask me now. Tomorrow we are going to be a practice section. That means I'll write many questions to you. You have to solve that all the things. First of all, try to understand the question, then take your friends' help, practice, and tomorrow you'll not an exam but some practice questions I will do. Okay. So first, let me know, do you understand the concept for today's class? So how many numbers you can assign a value, assign the numbers without knowing 0, sorry, without 0 numbers and with 0 numbers. Okay. No doubts? Guys, are you there or not? ఉన్నారా వెళ్ళిపోయారా? ఉంటే ఏమన్నా వింటున్నారా? ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? నెంబర్స్ ప్లేస్ మీద డౌట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? రిపిటేషన్ దాని మీద ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? One question, 2. సో రిపిటేషన్ మాత్రం జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకోవాలి, ఎందుకంటే బికాస్ లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ లో మనం 0 పెట్టినప్పుడు మాత్రం ఇక్కడ 4 డిజిట్స్ ఉంటాయి. సరే, ఇక్కడ మనం 0 పెట్టేస్తే 6 సారీ 0 ప్లేస్ చేసినా కానీ సో 0 రిపీట్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఈ ప్లేస్ లో 0ని తీసుకోకూడదు. సో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 4 ఉన్నాయి. 4p1, ఈ 4p నుంచి మాత్రం మనం ఒకటి తీసుకుంటాం, ఒకటి. సో రిమైనింగ్ 2 ప్లేసెస్ కి 5 ఉంటాయి అండ్ 5 ఉంటాయి. 5p1, 5 నుంచి ఒకటి సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తాం, 5 నుంచి ఒకటి సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తాం. ఆర్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ 2 ప్లేస్ ఉన్నాయి, 5 ఉన్నాయి, 5p2 అంతే. నాట్ 5p2. రిపిటేషన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మీరు ఒక్కొక్క ప్లేస్ నే తీసుకోండి, ఎందుకంటే మనం దీన్ని రిపీట్ చేస్తూనే ఉంటాం. యాక్చువల్లీ 5 నెంబర్స్ యూజ్ చేసి ఇక్కడ ఏ డిజిట్ అన్నా వేయచ్చు అండ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా ఏ డిజిట్ అన్నా వేయచ్చు, రిపిటేషన్ యూజ్ చేసి. సో అన్ని కూడా 2 2 2 0 కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. రైట్, ఇక్కడ నుంచి నేను 2 తీసుకున్నాను అండ్ టోటల్ 5 నెంబర్స్ నుంచి 2 తీసుకున్నాను, 5 2 and 0. Right? Hope you're clear. And tomorrow we'll having some practice questions and completed concept from starting onwards. Some misleading questions, difference, and everything. We're going to check yesterday's. What's your understanding rate? I will share my rate also. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.